Welcome everyone. This is a continuation to my earlier video about the overview of serverless computing. Are you ready to revolutionize your business? If you're learning something new about cloud computing and it's the key facts, this is the video for you. With serverless computing, you say goodbye to the worries of the infrastructure management and scaling challenges. This video is specifically about the key challenges and the benefits of serverless computing. In the last video, I shared what is serverless computing, what its architecture, and in this video, I'm specifically talking about the key benefits, how to boost the developers' productivity, organization's efficiency, and many more interesting benefits about serverless computing. Let's dive in. Serverless computing is certainly a revolution to the development landscape, offering developers and businesses a range of remarkable benefits. And if you look at them, I shared the most important factor is scalability. Serverless computing provides seamless and automatic scalability. Applications built with serverless architecture can handle any workload from minimum to extremely high traffic without the need for manual scanning. Developers can focus on writing code while the infrastructure scales up or down based on the demand, ensuring the optimal performance and user experience. The best example, which I shared earlier, the use case about the Netflix, how Netflix leveraged the serverless computing using AWS Lambda, and how the environment scales by itself based on the user's request. The second one is efficiency. With serverless computing, developers can concentrate on writing business logic and application code. The burden of infrastructure management, such as provisioning servers, configuring environments, and handling the scaling, is absolutely abstracted away. This streamlined approach enhances development efficiency, enabling developers to deliver features faster, iterate rapidly, and focus on adding value to their applications. Cost effectiveness. Pay what you use. It is a mantra for all the cloud computing service providers. But serverless computing follows a pay-as-you-go pricing model. Businesses only pay for the actual usage of the resources and functions, eliminate the need for upfront infrastructure investment. The cost-effective approach allows business to optimize their budget, scale according to the needs, and avoid over-provisioning resources. And the most important factor is the event-driven architecture. The event-driven architecture is an inherent part of serverless computing. Functions are triggered by specific events or requests, like when I want to watch a movie, click on the button on the specific movie to play. So it is an event. It sends a microservice request to that specific Lambda server. So it's one example. Any database changes or system events. This event-driven approach enables a real-time responsiveness, allowing applications to seamlessly respond to user actions or external events. It is cloud native by design. Serverless computing is deeply integrated with cloud services and embraces cloud native principles. Developers can leverage a wide range of managed services such as databases, storage, caching, authentication, and many more. This native integration allows for faster development, reduced maintenance overhead, and access to cutting edge cloud capabilities. So, what would happen? It boosts the developer's productivity. You code more and worry less about the infrastructure. By eliminating the need to provision and manage servers, developer can focus solely on writing code and addressing the business requirements. This increased productivity translates into faster development cycle, shorter time to market, and more time for innovation. What would naturally happen? It transforms the business productivity as well. It accelerates the innovation and time to market. Serverless computing enables businesses to rapidly innovate and iterate on their applications. The reduced complexity of infrastructure management, automatic scaling, and shorter development lifecycle contribute to faster time to market. Businesses can focus on delivering value to their customers and stay ahead in today's competitive landscape. So these are the fundamental key benefits of serverless computing. And I would like to highlight more importantly on the scalability part because the scalability is so critical in terms of a serverless model because it is the key benefit, is a critical factor in modern application development. The serverless computing offers a simple and effective solution. Let's explore the scalability part of it and how it's allowing applications to handle any load with ease. Scalability. Let's understand the scalability part. Automatic scaling. Serverless architecture provides automatic scaling capabilities out of the box. Applications built with serverless technologies can scale up or down dynamically based on the number of incoming requests or events. Granular scaling for optimal resource utilization. Serverless computing allows for granular scaling at a function level. Each functions within the application can scale independently based on its specific workload requirements. This granular scaling features ensures optimal resource utilization, minimizing waste and maximizing the efficiency. Scaling responsiveness in real time. Functions can be triggered instantly by events such as user actions, system events, or changes in the data. Applications can seamlessly scale in response to these events, ensuring that they can handle sudden spike in traffic or demand. Handling high traffic with ease. Serverless computing is particularly well suited for handling high traffic situations. During the periods of increased load, serverless architecture can automatically scale resources to meet the demand, ensuring smooth performance and user experience. And finally, cost effectiveness. Everything comes as a part of this, the cost of this engagement or the project. The scalability in serverless computing is not only efficient but is also cost effective. With serverless architecture, businesses only pay for the actual usage of the resources and functions. Scaling occurs on demand, eliminating the need for over provisioning and reducing unnecessary cost. Conclusion is basically the scalability is a fundamental aspects of the modern application development, and serverless computing simplifies the process. With automatic and granular scaling, serverless architecture empowers applications to handle any load with ease, ensuring optimal performance and cost efficiency. Embrace the power of scalability in serverless computing to deliver scalable, responsive, and cost effective applications that can thrive in today's dynamic digital landscape. So I focused pretty much on the scalability benefits of serverless computing, emphasizing how it enables applications to handle any load with ease. So I would recommend you go through in detail about my earlier videos about the other key factors associated with serverless computing, and this concludes the part 2 of the serverless computing. I'm going to see you on the future videos, and feel free to ask more questions if you do have anything related to serverless computing. Email me at contactus@orcitech.org. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. See you there.